Meaning of gatherer.
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 Gatherer. The term gatherer refers to a person who collects or gathers various things together, such as food, information, or objects. It can also be used to describe a person who engages in the activity of hunting and gathering, which involves searching for and collecting wild plants and animals for subsistence. In a modern context, the term can also refer to someone who collects data or information for research or analysis purposes. In summary, a gatherer is a person who is skilled at collecting, accumulating, and organizing different types of resources.